Hi, I'm Jason Matthews, owner of Matthews Painting Company in Warsaw, Indiana. This is yet another tutorial video that we show all of our new employees that we train to become professional painters. We also do drywall repair work here at Matthews Painting, and today we're just going to discuss the products that we use for our wall repairs. This is a easy sand joint compound that we also call quick-set joint compound. The different numbers refer to how quick it sets up: 20-minute, 45-minute, and 90-minute. There are times and conditions that it can be ready to sand in that amount of time, but typically you would have to accelerate drying by either a fan or a hair dryer to be able to accomplish that. 20-minute mud here, which we also refer to joint compound as mud, we would typically only use if we just had maybe a half a dozen repairs or up to a dozen. Anything more than that, the 20-minute joint compound would be setting up in your pan, and it would be really hard to clean out, and you'd be spending more time cleaning out your pan than you were repairing the walls. If you were working in just one bedroom, for example, or a kitchen, 45-minute is a really good choice. Gives you a little bit more time, and usually you can get through all the joint compound that you have mixed up in your pan. 90-minute is a really good option if you're doing several rooms in a home. You know that you're not going to be sanding and priming and painting the same day, so there's no need for it to set up extremely quickly if you're going to be going through an entire house. I would say 90 minutes are probably our most used product. Also, if we're going in for a small job like a bedroom and we have to be out that day, we're almost always doing 20-minute, and at times if you need to accelerate the drying, you can use hot water with these powdered compounds and things dry a little bit quicker as well. What we use for just basic nail holes is just a spackle. It's called 3M Patch Plus Primer. This is what we use. It's already mixed up and ready to use. It is not powder form, but we would not use this large scale throughout a house for stress cracks and things of that nature. Just simply nail holes mainly for this product. We would also use this for nail holes and trim. This here is a ready mix compound. It's already got water in it. It's already a paste. It's called +3. There's other brands as well. As you can tell, it already looks like it's in paste form because it is. We typically do not use this on walls. We use this for texturing ceilings. We do not like to use this for texturing ceilings. We do like to take the +3 that's already ready mixed, mix our water in it to the consistency it needs because it needed a little runnier, and then we match in textures for ceilings. The reason we don't use the quick-set compound for that is it just dries too quick and we can't get a good enough match on the ceiling. Whereas this, the +3, will stay wet for an entire day, and so if we don't like the texture, we can scrape it back off and keep trying to get the texture as carefully to the match that we need it to. For more information, you can contact us at matthewspainting.com.